Sometimes the best in class just don't get it right. And here now we're talking about 4 reasons to be skittish. Those reasons for leaders of major companies in this country. You're talking about Howard Lester, Williams-Sonoma, Jim, Sumner Redstone of Viacom, Aubrey McClendon of Chesapeake, and Sheldon Adelson, head of Las Vegas Sands.
Look, I revere these guys. You know, I have guys that I've just watched over the years who have done everything right. Redstone beginning in the 70s, building Viacom, taking it private in the 80s and bringing it public again. Adelson's built this unbelievable empire of Las Vegas Sands, both in Vegas, anyone who's been out there knows that, Macau. I know Lester. He was a very conservative man who created the notion of the housewares brand, Williams-Sonoma, and very, very successful. Aubrey McClendon is the guy who taught me about how natural gas works, and there's really no one wiser than he is. He's also behind the Pickens plan. How can I be expected to trade or invest in these stocks when the people who've created them don't? I find what the lesson here in this piece about 4 reasons to be skittish is humility. Like, we can come out here and we can say, listen, you should buy, the futures are looking up. Or, you know, maybe Qualcomm is overshot, or you can come in here and say that CBS seems cheap. And then you have these things. I mean, do I buy Las Vegas Sands because Adelson had to sell it? Is it time to buy Chesapeake now that Aubrey's been margined out of it? Is this the opportunity of a lifetime because CBS has been knocked down because of Redstone selling? You know, Williams-Sonoma, is it a great bargain at 8 because he's brought it down? I find these to be too hard. And one of the things that's happened a lot this year is that there's certain things that are too hard, which is why I fall back to, is the dividend safe and yields more than cash? Is there a lot of cash on the balance sheet, or is it recession resistant? The last ones always bounce back the moment the future pressure is over. They always bounce back. So they're great ones in this. J&J, Procter & Gamble, Colgate now, Kimberly. And what I don't understand is how anyone doesn't see the difficulties of this market given the fact that these 4 guys got blown out.
And Jim, part of your strategy right now is to really scrutinize management, look closely at how management is handling the business. So if we can't look to these leaders, this leadership, Williams-Sonoma, Viacom, what are the signs of sound management, of smart decision making?
Didn't buy back stock high, buying back stock low, committed to using the chaos out there to move up in the order, in the standings. That's very, very important. People who saw it coming, who saw this recession coming and cut back ahead, very few meet that.
And are honest about it.
Right, and so the answer for that funnel is very few.
All right, thanks very much. That's Jim Cramer's piece on Real Money, 4 Reasons to be Skittish. Check it out. And as a reminder, if you missed our conference last month, we do have a DVD that's coming out, 2009 Money Making Strategies. It is priceless. You want to email conference@thestreet.com. Don't miss out.